Are you looking to get Canva Pro totally for free? There are a few legit ways to do it. And the last one I will show you in this video will give you unlimited shared access in seconds. The first easiest method is the official 30-day free trial. Just go to Canva's website, click on Start Free Trial, sign up with your personal email or Google email or the work email. You will get full access to Canva Pro instantly. No hacks, no risks. You can get all useful links from the video description. So without wasting time, let's go to the next one. The second legit method to get Canva Pro totally for free is to go to canva.com/education. Here you will find out that Canva is giving a free opportunity to teachers and the students. If we go to Teachers tab, this page allows eligible teachers to create a Canva Education free account. Just go ahead and sign up with your email. And if you go to Students page, Canva for school and district. Here, we have two options to get Canva totally for free, either sign up with Google or apply for access. Now, the next quick method I want to show you is for nonprofit. If you run a nonprofit, Canva gives you pro access completely free. Just go to Canva for nonprofit, register your organization, and once approved, you are in. Okay, so now let's go to the last amazing method that will give us free and unlimited access to Canva Pro. Okay, just go ahead, open up your browser, and go to oxaam.com. Here, please complete all the required field with email, number, and the password. You don't have to give here your original email, right? So this will take you to this website. Here, we will find steps to activate Canva Pro. Visit official website. This will take you to canva.com. Click on login, continue with email. We have to go to that website and we want to copy this email. Just go ahead and paste this email into Canva. Now let's go ahead and Canva asks for 6-digit verification code. We have to use the link below. So let's click on this link to get the code. Let's go ahead and copy the first code. If this not work, keep copying the codes. This works, and now we are in Canva Pro with an unlimited and free lifetime access. And please note that it's a shared account, so don't use it for personal or sensitive work. If this video helps you, leave a like, subscribe for more